Hello everybody. Today I am going to teach you the multiplication of numbers with 11 and so on. Now let's see how can we start this work. Now you see here I have written here that you have to do here the multiplication of the number with 11. So how will you do that? In order to multiply a number with 11, first you have to start from the number's unit digit to the last. Like, what does it mean? It means that you have to start from right to the left. And now let's see how you can do this in the question. Look here, this is the question I have given to you. In this question, what you have to do, you have to multiply this 45 with this 11. So how can you do this? Now let's see how can we do this. 45 multiplied by 11. First step, this is our step number first. You have to split the terms. You can see here 40 in 45 you have two terms, but when you will split 45 apart, so you will write first term is 4, you can write down here 4, then put this slash in between, okay, and the last term is 5, so you can write down here 5, and like this you have done the splitting of 45 from 45 you have written here 4 dash 5. So first step you have done like this. Now what is the second step? In second step you have to add these two digits. What are the two digits you can see here? 4 and 5 are the two digits here, so you have to do in second step. You see I have written here 4 plus 5 which is equals to 9. Now the final step what you will do here is you got this 4 plus 5 as 9 here. So what will you do with this 9? You will place this 9 in between 4 and 5. So when you will place this 9 in between 4 and 5, you will get here as 495. So 495 is your final answer. Now in the next question I have taken with you, as you can see here, this is our next question I have taken with you. You have to multiply here the next question 68 by 11. So how will you do there? Again, as I have done in my previous question, you have to split it. How will you split this 68? 6 and 8. Here you have two terms. So how can you split? Again, as you have done here, you will write down 6, then slash, this is the slash, then last is 8. You have written these numbers separately, okay. Now 6 slash 8. Now step number 2 is you have to add the two numbers which you have to multiply here with 11. What are the first two numbers here? You know 6 plus 8 you have to add, okay. 6 plus 8 is equals to 14. Now 6 plus 8 you see here, you have got here 14. So what is the final step? Now we have to put this 14, okay. We have to put this 14 in between this 6 and 8. But you don't do any mistake here. Be careful. Don't do this like this 14 you will not put as it is. There is a slight change you have to do. This is wrong. If you will put this 14 as it is, it will be wrong. So don't do any mistake. Just be careful. You have what is the next step you have to do? Next step you have to do is from 14. You can see this 14. 14 is a two-digit number. You can't put two digits at the time. From these 14, you can see what is at the unit place. 4 is at the unit place. So you have to place only 4. Okay. Only 4 from 14 in between. You will place only 4 from 14 in between 6 and 8. So it will give you now when you will write down in this fill in the blanks. This is the fill in the blanks. When you will write down here 4, so you will get here 648. So 1 is still left. Okay, what will you do with this 1? 1 you will carry forward, okay. 1 you will carry forward and add with this 6. You can see here 6. So 1 you will carry forward and add with this 6. So you will now get 748. Now this 748 is the final answer. So like this you have to solve these questions. And now let's see how you can do some other questions also. Now you see here, next question I have taken is you have to multiply this 79 with 11. So now let's see how will you multiply 79 with this 11. Now 79 here is two-digit number, so you have to multiply it. Again, what is the next step you have to take here is, again you see you have to split. As in the previous question you have done the splitting, again you have to just split 79. So you see here 7 is here, 9 is here, and by splitting you get this slash, so you will put this slash. Now next step you have to do is you have to add the numbers. What are the two numbers here? You can see here 7 and 9 are the two numbers, so when you will add 7 plus 9 you will get here 16. So how will you do your final step? You have to put this 16. Okay, you look here, you have to put the 16 in between this 7 and 9. Okay, so from 16, as you have seen in previous question only also, okay, only unit digit you can keep here. 6 is the unit digit here. Okay, so you can only place this 6. Okay, from 16, you see 16 you got, so from 16 only you have to place 6 from 16 in between this 7 and 9. So it will give you, when you will write down here 6, this is the fill in the blanks you can see here. So here when you will write down here 6, so you will get here 768. But you see from 16 you have written only 6, only one digit you have written, but one is left. So what will you do with this one? Add this one as the carry. Okay, you have to carry forward. You have to add this one to the carry, which is 7. Okay, you have to add this one with this 7, and when you will add 7 plus 1 you will get 8. So now this 869 is your final answer. So like this you have to solve your questions. So now let's see how you can do some other questions. Now you see what is the next question, as next question is 35 multiplied by 11. So here you can see how you have to do this. I have now done this question directly. Now let's see how you can do this question directly. Now you have to see what are the first two terms here. The 3 and 5 are two terms here, so you have to do the splitting of 3 and 5. So when you will split this 3 and 5, you will write down this 3 here, and you can see this 5 is here. So now next step what you have to do here is, now you have to add this 3 plus 5, and you know 3 plus, you see here in the final answer I have shown you here. Splitting I have done here. 3 I have written here and 5 I have written here. As you can see here, now I am going to show you how I have done this. Now let's see how I have done this. You can see here this 3. I have written 3 here. I have done the splitting of 3 and 5. 3 I have written here and 5 I have written here. First splittings you have done. What is the next step you have to do after splitting it? Now you have to see 3 plus 5. What is 3 plus 5? 3 plus 5 is 8. So in between you got this 8. So you have to put this 8 between this 3 and 5. So this 385 is the final answer. Like this. Now we are going to do some other questions as well. Now you see here, next question I have taken here is 38. You have to multiply this 38 with this 11. So now you can see here, you have to first split 3 and 8, because 3 and 8 are the first and last digits here. So you can see here 3 I have written here and 8 I have written here. This is the splitting. Okay. Now after splitting, what you have to do is you look at this 3 and 8. As in all the previous questions also, I have told you, you have to now do the addition of 3 plus 8. And you put the slash here. You have done the splitting, you just put the slash also here. So 8 you see as it is here. So I have written here 8 as it is. Now this slash is here. I just put this slash here 8 as it is. 8 plus 3 you know is 11, so you first write down this 11 here because this is a 2-digit number. Then put a slash, then write down the first number 3 as it is. Now you see 11 is a 2-digit number. You can't keep 2-digit number here. What can you do? You can keep only unit digit. What is the unit digit here? Unit digit is this 1. So in the next step, 8 here, you will write down this 8 as it is, then put a slash. At the unit place, you can see this 1. So you will write down this 1 as it is, then put the slash. Then this 1 is left. So what will you do with this 1? You will carry forward this 1 and add with this 3. So what is 3 plus 1? 3 plus 1 is equals to 4. So I have written this 4. And this is the final answer. So like this, you have to solve all the questions. Now, next question I'm going to take with you is here. You have to multiply this 95 with this 11. So now let's see how you can multiply 95 with this 11. In this 95, again, you have to see, you have to do the splitting. So now you can see how you can do the splitting. As you have to do the splitting in the last, here I have done all the explanation. You can read it also. Here you can just see how I have done the splitting. First number is this 9. So I have written this 9 here. Okay. Then after that, last number is 5. I have written this 5. So in between, these are the commas I have put here to do the splitting. This is called the splitting. As this you have already done earlier also. Now what you have to do is you have to do 9 plus 5 as you have done in earlier questions also. You see here I have written this 9 plus 5 which is equals to 14. But you know, you see here now what you have to just put this 14 here. You have done the splitting and this is the fill in the blank. So you have to do the, you have to just write down this 14 here. So 9 first number as it is, you will write down as it is. 5 is the last number, you will write down here as it is. Now you can see this 14 is a double digit number. So you can't write down the double digit number in the splitting. So what will you do? You look here, 5 is a single digit number. I have written here 5. Okay, next from 14, what is at the unit place? 4 is at the unit place. So I have written there 4, but this 1 is left here. So what will you do with this 1? You will do 9 plus 1. So 9 plus 1 is equals to 10. Now in the next step, what you will do? As 5 is a single digit number, you will write down here. As it is 4 is a single digit number, you will write down here. As it is now 9 plus 1 is equals to 10. Now you see 10. Look here at 10 carefully. You can't carry forward it anyhow now further. Because now nothing is left to carry forward. Now there is no digit left. So with which you can add here as it is. So in the final answer, you will write down this 1045 as the final answer as it is. Now, next question is 267. You have to multiply by 11. Okay, now I have taken the 3-digit number. You can see I have taken this 3-digit number which you have to multiply with 11. Now, again, you have to do the splitting here. As you can see, you have to do the splitting. 2 is the first digit number here. So I have written here 2 as it is. Now you look at the 7. 7 is here, the last digit. So I have written here as it is 7. 2 and 7, you look at these two numbers. I have written as it is. Now here you have to split these 3 numbers. Okay, now in this question, you have to split these 3 numbers. So what will you do is you will start adding two numbers. Okay, you look here, this 6 and 7. Look at 6 and 7. 6 and 7. Okay, so you put 7, you have already written here. You put a slash after 7. Put a slash after 7 and take next 2 numbers. What are the next 2 numbers? 6 plus 7 are the next 2 numbers. So you take this 6 plus 7. Again, you put the slash. Now you ignore this 7 because you see you have to do the addition of two numbers only at a time. You can only add 2 numbers always. Okay? When you are multiplying with 11, you have to do the addition of 2 numbers. So in the next step, you forget this 7. Ignore this 7. You can cut this 7 also. After 7, what are the next 2 numbers? You can look here. here, this 2 and 6 are the next two numbers. So you write down 2 plus 6, put a slash, and 2 you have already written here as it is. Now in the next step, what you will do, this 7 is the single digit number. You will write down there 7 as it is. Now you solve 7 plus 6 is, put a slash here also. Solve 7 plus 6 is equals to 13. So you will write down here 13 as it is. Then put a slash. You have to solve 2 plus 6, which is equals to 8. So you will write down this 8 as it is. Put a slash 2 here you will write down as it is. Now you see, look at this 13. 13 is not a single digit number. You have to convert this 13 double digit number into a single digit number. How will you convert 13 into a single digit number? You have to again do here the carry forward. Okay, first you start from here, 7 you will write down as it is. From 13, this is a 2-digit number, but what is at the unit place? Only 3 is at the unit place. So 3 you will write down as it is, because this is here at the unit place. But what will you do with this 1? 1 is left. So 1 you will carry forward and add with this 9. Okay. You add with this 8. So you add with this 8. What will you do this 1? You will add this 1 with this 8. So what is 8 plus 1? 8 plus 1 is equals to 9. So you will write down here 9. Now put a slash. You will write down 2 as it is. Now you see in this line, all the numbers are single digits numbers. So this is the final answer you have got. Now let's do some other question. Now I will tell you some more questions. Now you see here, next question I have taken here is this 2, 4, 7, 8. You have to multiply this 2, 4, 7, 8 with this 11. So what you have to do here is, this is, you can easily see here, this is the 4-digit number. So with 4-digit number, what will you do here? First you have to do the splitting. Okay. How will you do the splitting here? You see, what are the first and last numbers in this 2, 4, 7, 8? First number is 2 here and last number is 8 here. So I have done the splitting. 2 I have written as it is, and you see here 8 also I have written as it is. Now in splitting I have just put these commas here. And in 11, you know, when you are doing the multiplication of any number with 11, you have to take the two terms only. So first is 8 here you will write down as it is. You will not add anything with this 8, because here you have already done the splitting. What are the next two numbers? You look here, 7 and 8. 7 and 8 are the next two numbers. So after 8 you will put this comma here, which I have already put here. You will write down 7 plus 8, then comma. Again you look here, what are the next two numbers here? You just see here, what are the next two numbers here? You just ignore this 8 here. Okay, because this is just you have written here. So ignore this 8. What are the next two numbers? This 4 and 7. Look at this 4 and 7. You have to add this 4 and 7. So you see, how will you do this? You will just put this comma here. You will just put this comma here and you will write down 4 and 7. See, 8 I have ignored, because always you have to take two terms. 8, first you have done this step. First step you have done this. Second step you have done this. Now you have done the addition of 4 plus 7 also. So what you have to take now, next two terms. So to take next two terms, you ignore 7 also. What are the next two terms now? Now you look here, 2 and 4. 2 and 4 are the next two terms. So with comma, you will write down here 2 plus 4. Now 2 plus 4 you have taken. These are the two terms. Next two terms, you just now cut this 4 also. Now what is the next term? Next term is only 2, which you have already written here. Now in the next step you have to do the balancing. Now see 8 here, so I have written here 8 as it is. Now put the comma, and 7 plus 8 you know is 15. Put a comma. Now put a comma. After that, you know 4 plus 7. 4 plus 7 is 11. So you write down 11 here. Put a comma. Then again you have to look at the next two terms. 2 plus 4 is equals to 6. So you write down here 6 and put a comma. And 2 is as it is, you will write down here. So now you see here, what is this? You just see 8. Okay, look at this 8. 8 you will 8 is the single digit number, and all this you see 11 is also two digit number and 15 is also two digit number. These are greater than 10. You see 7 plus 8 you got 15 and 4 plus 7 you got 11. So these two numbers are greater than 10. So you will do the carry forward here. 8, you see 8 you will first write down as it is. From 15, two digits are here, but what is at the unit digit? Only 5 is at the unit digits. So you will write down after 8, you will put this comma and write down 5. What will you do with this 15? May say 1. What will you do with this 1? 1 you will add with the next number. Next number is 11. So I have done 11 plus 1. Okay, now put the comma. Look at the 6. 6 is already a single digit number. So I have written here 6. Now you put the comma. 2 is a single digit number. So you write down 2 as it is. Now you see we have to carry over the 1. Okay, now you have to again carry forward this 1. Now you look here, 8 is here. So I have written this 8 as it is. 5 is a single digit number. I have written as it is. Now you first see 11 plus 1. You solve it out. 11 plus 1 is 12. You write down 12 here, and single digits. 6 is a single digit number. 2 is a single digit number. We have written as it is. Now in the next step, you write down again 8 as it is, comma 5 as it is. From 12, you can see from 12, 2 is at the unit place. So at the unit place, you will write down here 2, but 1 is left. So you will carry forward this 1 and add with this 6. Okay. Next number, you will add the 1 with next number. So put a comma, then again write down 2 as it is. Now you see in the final step what I have done. 8 I have written as it is. 5 I have written as it is, single digit number. 2 is a single digit, I have written as it is. You know 6 plus 7, 6 plus 1, 6 plus 1 is 7. So 7 is a single digit number as it is, comma 2. And this is your final answer. So this is so easy to solve. Now next, see next question also. Now you look at this question here. I have taken 2, 6, 7, 8. You have to multiply it with 11. So now what will you do here? First, you have to do the splitting of first and last number. What is the first number here? 2 is the first number here. What is the last number here? 8 is the last number here. This is called splitting. Splitting I have done. Then put a slash. Take two numbers at a time. Okay, what are the first two numbers here? 7 and 8. You see 7 and 8. So put a slash, write down 7 plus 8. Now what will you do? You have to take next two numbers. So you can ignore this 8. Ignore 8. Now what are the next two numbers? 6 and 7. So put a slash and write down 6 plus 7. Now you have done here. Now ignore 7 also. Okay, now you look at what are the next two numbers. 2 and 6 are the next two numbers. So you write down here 2 plus 6. Now you have to solve it out. Now see 8 you have to write down here as it is. 7 plus 8 you know is 15. Put a slash, write down 15. 6 plus 7 you all know is 13. Put a slash, write down 13. 2 plus 6 you know, all of you know is 8. You write down 8 as it is. Put a slash, then write down 2 as it is. Now you have to do the balancing. Now you see 13 and 15 are the two digits number, but you can't write down two digit number. So 8 is a single digit number, write down 8 as it is. From 15 you can see 5 is at the unit place. So you write down 5 as it is. What will you do with this one? 1 is left. So 1 you will take as a carry forward. So with this 13 you will do add 1. 13 add 1 is 14. But from 14 you can't take two digits, you will do only unit digit. Unit digit में 4 है, so you will write down 4 as it is. 1 is left, 1 you will carry forward and add with 8. 8 plus 1, all of you know is 9, so you will write down 9 as it is. Now you will write down 2 as it is. Look at this step now. All the numbers are now converted into the single digits numbers. So all these slashes now you will remove, and this is your final answer. 2, 9, 4, 5, 8. Look at the next question now. Again, you have to multiply this number with 11. So first you have to split. What are the first two terms? 2 is the first term. I have written here 2 as it is. Now look at this question. 9 is the last term. So I have done the splitting by writing the 9 as it is. So I will show you how I have done this splitting. 9 you will write down as it is. Now you look here, what you have to do here is, you have to add next two terms. You have to do the addition of next two terms. So how will you do the addition of next two terms here? I'm going to tell you how you can do the addition of next two terms here. You look here, what are the two terms here? First, you look 9 here, I have written as it is. What are the first two terms? 8 and 9. So put a slash, so you will write down this 8 plus 9. Now you look at this question, ignore 9 because you have done the addition of this 9. Now take next two digits. 7 and 8 are the next two digits. So put a slash here and write down 7 plus 8. Now ignore this 8. So what are the next two digits when you will ignore this 8? 6 and 7. So put a slash and write down here 6 plus 7. Now you ignore this 7 also. You see what are the next two digits? 2 and 6 are left. So 2 and 6 are the next two digits. So you write down 2 plus 6 here and put a slash. 2 here is as it is, as you have already done. In the next step, you have to solve this. Now see, 9 is as it is, you have written here. 8 plus 9 you have to solve, you will get 17. Put the slash, write down 17. 8 plus 7 you will solve, you will get here 15. Put the slash, write down 15. 6 plus 7 you will solve, so you will get here 13. You will write down here 13. 2 plus 6 you will solve, you will get 8. You will write down 8 here. Now 2 you will write down as it is. Now you look here, 13, 15 and 17. These are the two digits number. You can't put two digits. You know you have to do the carry forward here. So 9 is a single digit number. 9 you have written as it is. Put the slash. From 17, you see what is at the unit place. 7 is at the unit place. Put 7 here. But what will you do with this 1? 1 you will carry forward and add with 15. 15 plus 1 you know is 16. So from 16 you can't write down 16. Only unit digit is 6. So you will write down here 6 and 1 will be left. 1 you will add with this 13. 13 plus 1 you all know is 14, but you can't write here 14. Only single digit you have to write down. So 4 you will write down here. 1 you will carry forward and 8 you will add with this 1. 8 plus 1 is 9. So you will write down here 9. And 2 you know you have to write down as it is. Now you know all the numbers are converted into the single digits number. So this you will write down all the numbers together, remove all the slash, and this 2, 9, 4, 6, 7, 9 is the final answer you have now got. So now you look here, what I have done, I have taken this 57, which you have to multiply with this 111. Now you see, count here how many 11 are here. You can see 3 11 are here. So you have to count here how many 11 are here. As you can see here, 3 11 are here. So what will you do here? Just let me see. Okay. You see 3 11 are here. So you write down here 3. Okay. Why we are writing this 3? Because you can see the number of 11 here are 3. So now what will you do here is 3 minus 1, all of you know is 2. Okay, 3 minus 1 is all of you know is 2. You will get 2. So what will you do with this 2? How will you use 2 here? You got this 2. So in this question you have to multiply 57. But you look here, I have put these 2 zeros. Okay, you got 2 here now. You got this 2. You see, you got this 2. So what will you do with this 2? You will put these 2 zeros before 57 and in the starting also and at the end also. You will put 2 zeros to solve this. Okay, now you have to solve it. Now you see 3 1 are here. So at a time you have to do the addition of from these. You have to add 3 numbers at a time. You look here. These are the 3 numbers. 7 plus 0 plus 0. How you have got this? These are the first 3 numbers. You look here, 7 0 0. These are the first 3 numbers. So I have written here 7 plus 0 plus 0. Put a slash. Now you have to take next 3 numbers. So you ignore this 0. What are the next 3 numbers? You look here, this 5, 7 and 0. 5, 7 and 0 are the next 3 numbers. So put a slash and write write down 5 plus 7 plus 0. So again, now you put a slash. Now you have to ignore this 0 also. Now you take next three terms. Okay, what are the next three terms? This 0, 5 and 7. So you put a slash and you write down here this 0, 5 and 7. So I have written here. Now you cut this 7. Okay, ignore this 7 also. Now you look here. What are the next three terms? This 0, 0 and 5. These are the next three terms. So I have written here also. Now you have to solve it out. You see 7 plus 0 is equals to 7. So I have written here 7. Now 5 plus 7 plus 0 is equals to 12. So I have written here 12. Now put a slash. Now 0 plus 5 plus 7 is equals to 12. So I have written here 12. Now put the slash. Now 0 plus 5 is equals to 5. I have written here 5. Now you have to do the balancing here. How will you do? 7 is single digit number. You will write down here 7. It is from 12. You see 2 is at the unit place. So you write down here 2. But 1 you will carry forward. What will you do with this 1? 1 you will add with 12. 12 plus 1 is equals to 13. So from 13 you will write down only 3 because 3 is at the unit place. So 1 is left. What will you do with the 1? 1 you will carry forward and add with this 5. So 1 plus 5 is equals to 6. So this 6327 is your final answer. So like this, you have to multiply 57 with this 1, 1 and 1. So now let's see some other questions, how you can solve some other questions. Now you can see here, next question I have taken is 365. You have to multiply this with 111. How many numbers of 11 are here? You can see 3, 1, 1 are here. So again, what will you do? 3 minus 1. Okay, 3 minus 1 is equals to, is 2. So you will put 2 zeros before this 3, 6. You see this 3, 6, 5 is here. You got 2. So these 2 zeros you will put before 3, 6, 5 also, and in the last of 3, 6, 5 also you will put the 2 zeros. Now you will solve this. Now see, as you can see here, 3, 1, 1 are here. So you have to start adding 3 terms at a time. You see what are the first 3 terms here? 5, 0, 0. These are the first 3 terms. So I have written here 5 plus 0 plus 0. Then put a slash, then cut this 0. Okay, ignore this. Now you have to take next 3 terms. What are the next 3 terms? Put a slash. You see 6, 5, 0 are the next 3 terms. So I have written here 6 plus 5 plus 0. Now again, you have done with this, you ignore this 0 also. You look here, what are the next 3 terms? This 365 is the next 3 terms. So I have written here 3 plus 6 plus 5. So now you put the slash. Now ignore this 5 also. Okay, ignore this 5 also. What are the next 3 terms? 0, 3 and 6. 0, 3 and 6 are the next 3 terms. So I have written here 0 plus 3 plus 6. Now you ignore this 6 also. You see here, what are the next 3 terms? 0 plus 3. These are the next 3 terms. So I have written here as it is. Now you see, you have to do the balancing here. 2 digits numbers are here, but you can't write down 2 digits number when you solve it. See, 5 plus 0 is 5. Okay, so put the slash. 6 plus 5 plus 0 is equals to 11. Put the slash. 3 plus 6 plus 5 is equals to 14. Put the slash. 0 plus 3 plus 6 is equals to 9. Put the slash, and like this you have done this step. Now in this step, 14 and 11 are the 2 digits number, but you have to convert the 2 digits number into the single digit number. How will you do that? See, 5 is the single digit number, so I have written here 5 as it is. From 11, you see what is at the unit place. 1 is at the unit place. You write down 1 here as it is. And from 11, 1 you will carry forward and add to the 14. 14 plus 1 is equals to 15. So from 15, you will write down only 5 because 5 is at the unit place. Carry forward 1. Okay, so what will you do with this 1? You will add 1 with this 9. 1 plus 9, all of you know, is 10. So from 10, what is at the unit place? 0 is at the 10 unit place. You will write down here 0. 1 is left, which will be carry forwarded. And what will you do with this 1? 1 you will add with this 3. So 3 plus 1 is equals to 4. So this 40515 is your final answer. So like this, you have to solve these questions. Now you look here, I have taken very interesting question for you. Now you see here, this is 3645. You have to multiply it with 111. Okay. And you see how many 1 are here, as you have done in the earlier questions. 3 are here. So in your mind, you will do 3 minus 1, which is equals to 2. So you will get this 2. What will you do with this 2? What is the use of 2? 2 you have got, so you will put two zeros before 3645, before in the starting also, at the end. So I have done here, I have just put these two zeros before, in the starting of 365 also, 45 also, and at the end also. So now you know, as you can see, 311 are here, so you have to start adding three terms. You look here, what are the first three terms? This 500, these are the first three terms. You look here, I have done here 5 plus 0 plus 0. Okay, now put a slash. I have put the slash. Now you know you have to ignore this 0. Okay, you have to take next three terms. What are the next three terms? You look here carefully. Next three terms are 4, 5 and 0. So you put a slash and write down 4 plus 5 plus 0. So you have done the 4 plus 5 plus 0. Now you ignore this 0 also. You take next three terms. What are the next three terms? You look here carefully. 6, 4 and 5. These are the next three terms. So here put a slash and write down 6 plus 4 plus 5. Now you put a slash again and ignore this 5 also. Okay. Now you see, after ignoring 5, what are the next three terms? You look here, 3, 6, 4. These are the next three terms. So I have done here 3 plus 6 plus 4. These are the next three terms. Now you ignore this 4 also. When you will ignore this 4, you look at the question. What are the next three terms? 0, 3 and 6. These are the next three terms. So here I have written the next three terms. 0 plus 3 plus 6. Now you look here, ignore this 6 also. Okay, and you see here only 0, 0, 3. These numbers are left, so I have written here. Now when you will solve it, 5 plus 0 is equals to 5. Now put the slash. 4 plus 5, 5 plus 0 is equals to 9. Put the slash. Now 6 plus 4 plus 5 is equals to 15. You put the slash. Now 6 plus 4, 3 plus 6 plus 4 is equals to, you will solve here, you will get here 13. Then put the slash. Now you will see here 0 plus 3 plus 6 is equals to 9. Put the slash, and 0 plus 0 plus 3 here you will get here. Now you look here, two digits number 13 and 15 are the two digits number. You have to convert this into the single digit numbers. You know 5 is single digit number, you will write down 5 as it is. Now write 9 is single digit number, you will write down 9 as it is. From 15, you know now 5 is at the unit place, so you will write down 5 is at it as it is. 1 you will carry forward and add with 13. 13 plus 1 is equals to 14. So from 14 you will write down only 4, because this is at the unit place. Now from 14, 1 is left. So 1 you will carry with here and add with this 9. 1 plus 9 is equals to 10. So from 10, 0 is at the unit place. You write down 0 as it is. Now 1 you will carry forward, 1 you will add with this 3. So 3 plus 1 is equals to 4. So now this is 404,595 is your final answer. So like this you will solve these questions. Now let's take some other question also. Now, as you can see, I have taken a bigger question for you. Now, let's see how can you solve this question. Now, you look here, my question is big. This is 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 4. You can solve any question, but you look here, what is important here is this 1, 1, 1. How many 1, 1 can you see here? Again, in all the questions you have seen, if you have got these 3, 1, I'm writing here 3, 1, 1, 1 you have got. So in your mind you will do 3 minus 1, which will you get 2. What is the use of 2 here? How will you use 2 here? 2 zeros you will put before and at the starting of this number, at the end of this number. You see these 2 zeros. Okay, I have put 2 zeros before this number and at the end of this number also. But how will you solve it now? Next step, how will you do the next step? As you can see here, 3, 1, 1 are here. So you will start adding 3 numbers. Look here. Look here. Okay, look at this. what are the first three, you look here, what are the first three numbers? You have to start from here. You see this 400. These are the three numbers, first three numbers. So I have written this 4 plus 0 plus 0. Okay, now you cut this 0. Okay, cut this 0. Ignore this. Now look at the next three numbers. What are the next three numbers? Next three numbers you see is 940. So put a slash and write down 9 plus 4 plus 0. Again, what will you do is ignore this 0. I'm going to cut it. Okay, now you look at the next three numbers. What are the next three numbers here? 894. 894 are the next three numbers. So you put the slash and write down here 894. Now you have done with this. Now you cut this 4. Ignore 4. You look at this. What are the next three numbers? 789 are the next three numbers. These 789 are the next three numbers. So put the slash, write down 7 plus 8 plus 9. Now you have done this with this, so you ignore this 9, cut this 9. Now you look here, what are the next three numbers? 6, 7 and 8. These are the next three numbers. So 6 plus 7 plus 8. Now you cut this 8 also. One by one you have to cut all the numbers. Okay, now you look here, 5, 6, 7 are the next three numbers. So you put the slash, write down 5 plus 6 plus 7. Now you cut this 7 also. Look here, what are the next three numbers? 0 plus 5 plus 6 are the next three numbers. So you will write down here 0 plus 5 plus 6. Now you cut this 6 also. Now you look here, what are the next three numbers? 0 plus 0, 0 plus 5. So you will write. Now you have to solve this. Now you will do the addition here. And in the next step, now I'm telling you this step. See, 4 here you will write down 4 plus 0 is equals to 4. 9 plus 4 plus 0 is equals to 13. So you will write down here 13. Now 8 plus 9 plus 4 is equals to 21. So you will write down here 21. Now 7 plus 8 plus 9 is equals to 24. So you will write down here 24. Now 6 plus 7 plus 8 is equals to 21. You will write down here 21. Now 5 plus 6 plus 7 is equals to 18. So you will write down here 18. Now 0 plus 5 plus 6 is equals to 11. You will write down here 11. Now 0 plus 0 plus 5 is equals to 5. You will write down here 5. Now you see 2 digits number are here, but you have to convert the 2-digit number into the single digit number. So how will you do that? See, 4 is the single digit number, write down 4 as it is. From 13, you will write down only 3 at the unit place. 3 you will write down at the unit place, 1 you will carry forward. What will you do with 1? You will add 1 with this 21. So 21 plus 1 is equals to 22. So from 22, you can only write down 2 at the unit place and 2. Now you will carry forward this 2. Okay. 2 you will carry forward and add with 24. 4 plus 2 is equals to 26. So from 26, 6 at the unit place, you will write down here 6. And 2, this 2 you will carry forward. Okay, this 2 you will add with 21. So 21 plus 2 is equals to 23. So you will write down here 3 and carry forward 2. Now what will you do with this 2? 2 you will carry forward and add with this 18. 18 plus 2 is equals to 20. So you will write down here 2 and carry, you will write down here 0 and carry forward 2. So what will you do with this 2? 2 here you got, so 11 plus 2 is equals to 13. So 13 minus 3 you will write down here and carry forward 1. Now carry forward 1 you will add with this 5. 5 plus 1 is equals to 6. So like this you will get your final answer 6303624. So now this is your final answer. Now you can see here, this is the last question I'm taking with you. Let's see how you can solve this. Let's see here. Now you see how many 1 1 are here. You can see here 4 1 1 are here. So okay, I'm writing here 4. So in your mind you will write down 4. You will do 4 minus 1. So you will get 4 minus 1 is equals to 3. Where will you use this 3? You got this 3. So you see this number. In the starting also you will put these 3 zeros, and at the end also you will put these 3 zeros. But now you see you have to start adding these numbers. Okay, how will you add all these numbers? You look here, how many 1 1 are here? 4 1 1 are here this time. So you will now start adding 4 4 numbers. What are the first 4 numbers here? You look here, 1 2 3, 4. 3 and these 3 zeros. Okay. These are the first 4 numbers. So I have written here 3 plus 0 plus 0. 4 numbers I have written here. Put the slash. Now you ignore this 0. Okay. Take next 4 numbers. What are the next 4 numbers from this? 5300. So I put a slash and add all these numbers. Okay, now ignore this 0 also. Okay, now take next 4 numbers. What are the next 4 numbers? You see here 5 4 5 3 0. These are the next 4 numbers. So you have taken these next 4 numbers. Now you ignore this 0 also. Now you look here, what are the next 4 numbers? This 6, 4, 5, 3. These are the next 4 numbers. So I have taken these 4 numbers, put the slash. Now you cut this 3 also. I am cutting all the numbers. Okay. Now you see what are the next 4 terms here. This 2, 6, 4, 5. Okay, 2, 6, 4, 5. So I have written this 2, 6, 4, 5. Put the slash. Now cut this 5 also. Okay. Now take next 4 numbers. What are the next 4 numbers? 1, 2, 6, 4. These are the next 4 numbers I have written here. Now you cut this 4 also. Now take next 4 numbers. What are the next 4 numbers? This 0, 1, 2, 6. These are the next 4 numbers. So you cut next. 6 is done. You cut 6 also. Look at the next 4 numbers. What are the next 4 numbers? This 0, 0, 1, 2. These are the next 4 numbers I have written here. Now you cut this 2 also. Now you look, these 4 numbers are left. So you will write down these 4 numbers as it is. Now, as in all the questions you have done the additions, you have to now do the addition in the next step. Now you see 3 plus 0 plus 0 plus 0. Okay, so you will get here 3. Now you have to add 5 plus 3 plus 0 plus 0. You will get here 8. You will write down here 8. Okay, now you will see here 4 plus 5, 9. 9 plus 3 is equals to 12. So you will write down here 12. Okay, now in the next step, you see you have to solve 6 plus 4 plus 5 plus 3, which is equals to 18. So you will put the slash, write down 18. Now in the next step, you have to solve this 2 plus 6 plus 4 plus 5 is equals to 17. You have to write down here 17. Now put the slash. In the next step, you have to do 1 plus 2 plus 6 plus 4 is equals to 13. You write down here 13 as it is. Now in the next step, you have to do 0 plus 1 plus 2 plus 6, which is equals to here 9. So you will write down here 9 as it is. In the next step, then you will solve 0 plus 0 plus 1 plus 2 is equals to 3. You will write down here 3. So you at the end, you will do 0 plus 0 plus 1, which is equals to 1. Here you will write down 1. So now you see here also you have got 2 digits. You will now do the balancing as you have done in all the questions. 3 is a single digit number, you write down 3. As it is, 8 is a single digit number, you write down 8. As it is, 12 is a 2 digit number, you can't write down 2 digit number. So only 2 is at the unit place. So you will write down here 2. What will you do with this 1? What will you do with this 1? 1 you will carry forward and add with 18. 18 plus 1 is equals to 19. So from 19, 9 is at the unit place. You write down 9 here and carry forward 1. Then what will you do with this 1? 1 you will add with this 17. 17 plus 1 is equals to 18. So you will write down here 18. Means 8 is at the unit place. You write down 8 here. Carry forward 1. What will you do with this 1? 1 you will add with this 13. 13 plus 1 is equals to 14. So 14 here you will write down 4 only at the unit place. Carry forward 1. So 1 you will carry forward. Now 9 plus 1 is equals to 10. So 10 means 0 is at the unit place. You write down 0 at the unit place. Carry forward 1. So 1, what will you do with this 1? 1 you will add with the next number. 3 plus 1 is equals to 4. You write down here 4. And now nothing is left to do the carry forward. So this 1 you will write down as it is. So now this is your final answer, 140489283. So like this, you have to solve these questions. So I hope you like my video, and please you like my channel, you share, subscribe my channel with your friends, and thanks for watching my video. Thank you.